my channel. Today I have a lovely unboxing video for you guys. If you haven't checked out my last video, you'll see that I did a cute come shopping with me vlog, and today you will finally be able to see what I purchased. So let's take a look at the Versace Virtues card holder. Okay, so I am so happy because my essay, Knowing Me, knows that I loved gift packaging. So he did go ahead and throw my small super card holder into this giant box, which is actually meant for a belt. This, you just scoot off. And this box does have a magnetic closure. So thanks to my lovely essay at Versace, his name is Nick, he knows I am a sucker for packaging, so he did go ahead and give me their newest tissue paper, and he actually threw in 2 stickers, which are so cool. These stickers are so cute. I see a lot of Virtues, I see the Tribute collection, Summer 2021 collection. I am such a fan of these stickers. They're so cute. Thanks, Nick. So with the stickers on the side, of course, there is their new lovely tissue paper, and of course always sealed with the Medusa head. Okay, time to unwrap this packaging. So cute. I am so excited to show you what exactly is in this box. Okay, so always with my purchases, I love when I get good packaging. It came in a super cute box, of course, Medusa, and says Versace. When you open it up, of course, it has a little dust bag that says Versace. Underneath, you do have all of the tags that come with it in this cute little envelope, and then, of course, your receipt. Removing it from the dust bag, I am so happy. I have been waiting for this for so long. It is so perfect, so cute. And here we have the Virtues Versace card holder. I am absolutely in love with this. I've been waiting for this for about 6 to 8 months ever since I seen it release. It is made out of buttery smooth calfskin leather, absolutely soft. Feels like lambskin, to be honest. And it does fit 4 cards in the back. This one I liked more than the actual card holder because it does have a zipper up here up top. Okay, so for the zipper, it isn't overwhelming. It is very soft and easy to function. Inside, of course, has a little thing that says Versace inside and a keyring to hold your keys. This part right here on the hardware does say Versace, and again, made of calfskin leather. However, I don't know why they attached it to the inside of this, because it really does get in the way. To be honest, I am going to have to cut this off, as sad as that is, just so I can fit all of my cards in here. I need more than 4 to 5 cards. I usually carry about 7 to 8, so it does get pretty thick. They do fit in here. I just need to take this out to get all of my cards in here. With this in, it fits about 4 cards, I say. But I still love it just as much, and 100% still worth it to me. Okay, and that is it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't checked out my last video, make sure you check that out. Like and subscribe, comment below if anything stood out to you, and have a great day. Au revoir.